What's good, YouTube? A little update for you guys. Something new for the garage. It's a 60-gallon air compressor. Brand, it's the Sunburn 155 max 11.5 at 90 psi, 13.4 CFM at 40 psi. I already got it wired. I had it on 30 amp. This here is temporary. I got put a check valves. I got about bigger one of those water catcher to catch all the water. Did the oil change. This air compressor is basically brand new. It's only 4 months old. Paid $200 and only used probably for 5-6 hours according to the owner. And I had the paper in my car. Bought it from Menards 4 months ago. He's moving, no longer needed. So wherever he's moving, it's gonna be a bigger place, so he's gonna get a bigger one. And he was just trying to get rid of everything that was laying around in his garage so he can move wherever he's moving without have to tow so much shit. So that's why he sold it. So that's this thing here. Yeah, this thing is loud. And I still got my 29-gallon. I'm gonna put it online for sale. It still runs good. Fresh oil change. It's ready for the next owner. So that's gonna go back online for sale. And I think with that 60-gallon, I can do more. I need a sand blaster. So that's next. I need a workbench from Harbor Freight. And I think after that, I'm pretty set when it comes to tools and toolbox and stuff. So yeah, YouTube, that's what I got for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.